What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, this is something a little different from our usually. Sorry I haven't posted, because the whole corona thing, everything's been going on. Be careful. Everything that's been going on. Guys, I'm gonna have a baby girl, found out. And then yes, you guys see this truck right here. Oh, sorry buddy. But yep, the Welding Machine truck has been hit. Or a lady pulled out in front of me and stuff. So now I'm riding around in this thing right now for like a month until they figure out everything. So I bought a house. Well, bought a double wide, but hey, a house is a house. I own it, kind of thing. A pretty big, good sized backyard. That's the house pretty much. It's the 35 or 2100 square foot. Gonna build a couple of things. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Let me switch the camera around. So first, right here, we're gonna put like an awning right here with some boards running that way. That'd be something for a future project. Might be steel or wood, I don't know yet. Got my little buddy here. What's up? Say hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. I got my little buddy right there. All right, guys. Now for the building for the shop that I'm talking about building. The only people that know about it is a couple of welders and whoever watched Noah's Welding. Whoever watched that probably heard about it. I'm putting the shop up back over there in this direction. Right there. This is what we got cleared so far. Let me switch camera in 3, 2, 1. There's the dogs over there in the corner. Had to reinforce their dog kennel to keep them from getting out because they will bite people. And there's the fire pit where we burnt plenty of. This is what we got cut so far. We cut down 7 trees. The trees are all small trees, not big trees, but small trees. Then you got a bundle of them right there, chop down a few right here. Was gonna put the shop here, but it's too close to the house. So there's a little building right there. There's a wagon. We put all those sticks on there. Cut down a couple of trees here. I got probably over 100 trees I gotta cut, but the shop is gonna go back in this direction right here. Guys, the shop is going back over in that direction right there. It's gonna be made out of steel. I got the plans and stuff, drawing everything up. So you guys stay tuned with that, and that's what we're gonna do. But yes, double wide. It's a pretty good sized house. Everything's pretty much upgraded. Everything's pretty much good. Now we're just kind of waiting to see what's going on. Got to get the plans, the concrete, everything. We'll discuss that in this video too. This is pretty much an update. And here's some pictures of what the truck looks like now. Still don't have. It's been a month. Had to rent a car for about a month now. Been waiting. And then here's my little puppies, my little girls over here. Pretty much redid the whole bottom right here all the way around because they got out. That's what we got going on out here in the Welding Machine. Finally stopped renting, decided to buy a house. This is what I feel like is the best option for me. Cut down a few trees here. It's pretty much, I think, almost an acre, so I got enough room to put up a building and a shop. Put up probably about a 30 by 40. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. No, go ahead, go ahead. You want to shut it? You want to shut it? Come on, shut it. Here, go ahead and shut it. There you go. Good job. All right. That's my little stepson right there, guys. But I'm about to have my first child. This is my little step kid. But yep. So right now I'm renting the 2020 Dodge. But yeah, sorry you guys haven't heard from me in a minute because I've been busy. But everything's been going on, moving into this house. AC stopped working in this house. Had to get that fixed. Roof is leaking, so I got to get a metal roof on. Got so many things in the way. The business is, for those who need the update of the business is kind of slowing down right now due to the coronavirus. I had a couple of big jobs coming up, but it's on hold because of everything else. It's pretty cool. But other than that, that's about it. Didn't buy anything new. Oh, about to buy this truck right here because I'm buying my truck back because the truck still runs, I think. So I'm gonna buy this truck right here. Here's the pictures I'm gonna have up. And that's what I'm gonna get. Thank you guys. Well, the Welding Machine is out, y'all. Take it easy. Have a good day. Stay corona free. Y'all take it easy. All right, out.